Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and I want to point out this kind of anomaly that we're seeing over and over and over again. So this is AMC, okay? Obviously, stock in the news a lot. Had a tremendous day yesterday. Looked really good pre-market. Look at this I'm sorry, this is after hours at 5:45 yesterday. After hours, looked like it was resuming pre-market. Got up to 1520. I want to draw your attention. Maybe I'll have to make sure I can get this a little bit bigger. Look at this bottoming tail right there, okay? What we call a bottoming tail on the 15-minute chart. Now, kind of crazily, the TI charts seem to be the only one to have shown that bottoming tail. I looked at my TradingView charts and my Interactive Brokers charts and some of the other traders at Trade Ideas. We were talking about this, looking at other charts, and we don't see this bottoming tail. But I'm glad Trade Ideas, for whatever reason, has this bottoming tail. Why? We've noticed many, many times, and usually you see this in the pre-market, not so much when the market opens, but usually we see this in the pre-market. And notice this bottoming tail. Just one moment, please. Okay, guys, hopefully I'm resuming right now. So notice that bottoming tail. We've noticed many, many, many times that even though this looks like this must be some kind of anomaly, that in fact the price at some point does get back down there. And now, does it happen this quickly? Maybe not, but I decided to take this short in the pre-market right at 1503. I covered some, I think, at 1472 and at 1429 up in this area. But look what it did. It even got even below here. So I guess my point is if you have Trade Ideas and you're looking, in fact, here's another one. I want to just show you Macy's. Macy's was another one. Look at that bottoming tail, and eventually it got down there and even lower. This wasn't quite as dramatic as the AMC, but I guess my point is that if you're doing some pre-market work and you have the Trade Ideas charts and you see these big bottoming tails in the pre-market, you know, it's worth your while to take a look, and you might want to take a short. You could take a short right sort of at the top of the body, and put a stop just a little bit above it and see what happens. I mean, that AMC was awesome. So we've seen this time and again, though. This is not just something we noticed today, but unfortunately we can't seem to scan for it. That's the only issue. It's one of those things where when you're doing your pre-market work, you might happen to see one, and then when you see it, put your price alerts in and then maybe hop on a short. All right, guys, I want to get back into the trading room, so any questions for me, you can use this email address, the link for the free room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.